How's it going, everybody? I realized that I'm actually working on a new project that requires some branding, and so I thought I would show you guys from the very beginning how I started to pick out some type, and then maybe some colors, and go from there. So this is kind of the second attempt at branding and using Illustrator because I just did some a second ago. But this is looking at using it from the very beginning. So let's switch over. For some reason, I was just checking this out. I have no idea. Beforehand, I thought I would let everybody know. My wife's probably going to be showing up here with my son here. Oh, sometime in the next 30, 45 minutes or so. And they have eaten dinner without me, so I'm gonna grab something sometime soon. Um, telling you my life's ideas and how this works. But I was really surprised. I was using the artboard mode, and look, I can use the artboard mode. It works just fine. I don't know if it was because of the way that I created it. If it was the grid type, I mean, I created it using the film and video HDTV 1080, and maybe that has something to do with the preview mode or something. I don't know, but yeah, woo, man. What I do is I start out and I put in the name of what I'm working with. So I'm creating a virtual, an online gallery for developers and coders to create and be able to place their work and have it be seen and possibly purchased or possibly shown in other spaces virtually as well. We're still kind of figuring that out, but yeah, it's the idea is to have a virtual online only gallery. And so I've created Hoax Gallery, and I am the gallery. I am now the owner, as of a little bit earlier, of hoaxgallery.com. So, I own this. So that's kind of where we're going from. Oh, and also because I wanted to create, I also created Hoax Gallery, the Instagram account. But I still have a couple other ones to do. So don't snag all my URLs, please. Hoax Gallery. And then a lot of times what I'll do is I'll do it again right next to it. And I'll do it all in caps. Sometimes I'll do it in, and this is also when using Macintosh. Sometimes I'll also do the same thing and do it just in caps, in case sensitive. But it doesn't really matter for this one in particular. So I'm just gonna look at these two, and I actually don't mind something that that looks a little bit like what we already have with Myriad Pro, because for Hoax I really like the O and the A and the like circularness, like the wholeness of the H and the X. What I'm thinking about doing, but the gallery looks totally off. So what I was playing around with actually a little bit in my backyard. I was playing around in Spark Post, in Adobe Spark Post, and came up with this little idea. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. So I'm gonna see if I can do something that's like not exactly like that, but maybe a little bit like that. It is intentionally shaking or changing colors. I should change that. There we go. So, let's see if I can do something that's a little bit like that. So let's get something that's got some nice roundness to it. That, see, like that. Yeah, I was gonna say I like that O and A. We could maybe work with that. Okay. Now the only thing I really don't like, I'm gonna go all the way, go back through all of these. So that's kind of a pain. That second one that I liked was actually a secondary one. A secondary one. This second one that I liked was up here towards the beginning. It was source code variable. Now I'm gonna look for, yeah, once again I was already past brandish. So let's look. Okay, what about Century Gothic Pro? There we go. Century Gothic Pro. Century Gothic looks like it has, okay, some nice ones. I have to scroll all the way to Century Gothic. See if there's anything more. I'm not used to there being a camera over here. Hey everybody. Let's see. Ooh, that one's not bad. Look at that. See, you just kind of like, let's be sitting there and you realize, hey, there's something right in front of my face. Okay, I was at Gonzalez. Jen, that might work for the gallery. I'm not liking any of. Okay, I should probably explain really quickly why I'm avoiding the serif fonts. I'm looking at going, well, very modern, and because everything is online and because it's a hoax, I'm wanting to kind of play off of that being something that's, yeah, not written at all, and a serif font is like a typed font, or a printed font, but traditionally. But what I'm looking at doing, what I'm really thinking about, is using the H and the Y and elongating the beginning and the end. And so I'm just leaning towards ones that are sans serif because I'm thinking about using. Michelle is on the way. Fira Sans, look at that. That's a nice one. I'm gonna save real quick. I almost picked Fira Sans again. See, I'm not gonna. I get this thing where it's like, yeah, Franklin Gothic again. But I already used Franklin Gothic earlier today, so I feel like I can't use it again, even though it's a great font. I think actually this version is better for what I'm working with right now. It's kind of like a good Helvetica stand-in if you need something that's more condensed. think. Gabriola. I feel like I'm gonna have to have something that is Helvetica, because like it's it's just hard not to. Hawks. I kind of like what's tone of the O and the A and the X. Okay, now Glockenspiel. Like I need Helvetica simply. Ooh, wait, where'd my Helvetica go? I had Helvetica, and it's gone. Did they remove my Helvetica? Hey Tom, check and see if they removed my Helvetica. Because, okay, what am I on right now? Almost, obviously the. Look at that, no Helvetica. Huh? What happened to all my Helveticas? I thought these looked like some bizarre fonts. Oh, I know why. Because I'm on the PC. I haven't used Illustrator on here yet. That's, yeah. That's okay. Okay, that makes sense. So these are just the Adobe Creative Cloud Hottenschweilers. These are just the ones that come with it normally, which is fine. There's actually a fairly good selection. There are way too many of these. What are these? Why are they suggesting people use this? I didn't put this unless this came on here. And look, Joker Man. Why? Unless this came on here because of a because of a Microsoft Office or some bad, I don't know what I downloaded. This should not be on here. Neither should this. Neither should this. Künstler. I mean, man, look at that. Künstler might have some okay stuff that you can do with it, but Kristen, come on. Okay. I'm just saying, Josephine is much better than these other ones. I mean, yes, you can tell I have a type, but tish. Josephine. Neue Kabel. And some of the times, even though I know that these look nearly identical, I'll go ahead and put them out there now before deciding, because I just don't want to take the time right now to be really fussy with it. I'm fussy with it later. So, deciding Lucida Console. Ooh, see, Lucida Console is a good one, and it has a good heritage to it. There's a history to Lucida Console that is a nice, Lucida Fax even. Lucida Sans. Lucida Sans typewriter. Ooh, Sans Unicode. See, those are the ones that I'm. Okay, there we go. I can't use them all. I can't use them all. L. Lucida, Sans, Lucida. Okay, I've already got Lucida Sans. Yeah, congratulations. Those are so boring. Look at that. Fine, boring. I mean, I'm glad it's there, because sometimes you need something boring, but yeah, I don't see this one working. Microsoft E by T. Wonder why that's there. E by T, why Moonbeam. Okay, I'll give it a shot. That is a pretty traditional gallery. Like if I want to show a gallery, a modern gallery, there we go. Moonbeam. Mirror Pro. Man, caught my eye. Can't believe that. OCR. See, look at that. OCR is just nice. And then OCR extended. OCR extended is the better one in this place. I'm hoping to get through the entire alphabet by the time my wife gets home. But it's tough, you know? Okay, let's see. Okay, pinch it. Okay, that was nice. I don't know why, but I like it. I haven't liked any of those up until now, but I like that one. Pristina. Frasmic. Okay, I'll try. Oh, no, that's just too weird. Simplifica. Okay, that one's alright. I told you, this is what I do every single time I start a new logo. Here's the thing, every time I start a new project, because I always start a project having a logo, making sure it's got its own website. So before I even know what everything Hoax Gallery is going to be, I'm trying to kind of think about what it could be by looking at type. So I know that's backwards. It's completely backwards from what I probably would tell my students to do, because you should figure out what the crap the place is doing first, and then then make the type that goes along with it. Then figure out what you need. But I'm not doing it that way. I don't do it that way, and I should. Let's see, MSUI Gothic, MXUI Gothic. And there's just some of these that I don't understand why they're on here. I try to stay away from them just because I don't understand why they're here. Why they have Korean. Does anybody understand why they have Japanese and Korean? But then if you actually look at it, it's in, I mean, okay, we've got some Kufi. Is that what how you say it? Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. But yeah, and then all of a sudden Korean, which looks like Korean to me. Akbar. Okay. So here, okay. I'm not so surprised to see some of these. Dawani, Farsi, Kufi, Mundir. Okay, so there's some of those that are there at the end, but I don't understand these. Well, anyways, I don't think any of those are gonna beat these. Anyways, so that's what I have to start out with. See, and then I'll break them out. I'll say, do any of these just say absolutely not or absolutely yes, and I'll kind of put them to the left or the right. You know what? And I'll look at them by H. Okay. Well, I'll say like what I like it. If I like the gallery part, I'll keep the gallery part. If I like the hoax part, I'll keep the hoax part. You see. So for this one, I'm saying goodbye. Because I think what it is I like this part right here. I think I like the gallery. So the hoax, I like the hoax in that. I don't like the gallery for that. I like hoax for that and the gallery for that. I like the hoax. Don't like the gallery. Don't like the gallery. Or hoax is alright. I'm sorry, what I should have also been doing is putting a 0 in. Because I'm like I said, in the middle of trying to decide if I have to put a 0 in this. So I need to make sure that I keep plenty of uppercase over here, because I might have to do something like this. Boop. Which, you know, I'll worry with that later. Okay. Let me see. I don't like hoax. I don't like gallery. I don't like hoax. Crap, and I don't like gallery. I'm just not. Yeah, no. Okay, hoax. What about this one? Anybody around? Anybody in chat? Want to tell me what they think? Give me some type criticism. Some type critique. Can I do this before the wife gets home? I like hoax and gallery in that. Don't like hoax in that. Don't like gallery in that. Like hoax in that. Don't. Kind of like gallery in that. Man, I like all of them in that. Okay. Don't like gallery in that. Don't like hoax in that. I like hoax and gallery in that. Sorry, I need to zoom in a little bit. Whoa. Sorry about that. I think I just hit something bizarre. Like, you know, it's probably going to the. Yeah, it's going to tutorials. My bad. What? Okay. Yeah, that guy's. Hey, hello. Alright. Back here. Oh, I was listening. Let's see. I'm just turning on some music again. Okay. I really like gallery in that, and I like hoax in that. Man, I like. Okay, but I don't like it as much. Oops. Hoax in that, definitely gallery no. Hoax. That's pretty nice for hoax. And gallery, but not that's nice. Hoax. Okay, I'm just gonna go through a hoax, gallery, hoax. I like that G. Getting distracted. Okay. See, everything starts to look the same. Not the same, but the word starts to look weird. You know that sensation that you look at something that you've been looking at for a really long time, and all of a sudden you're like, that's not right. Surely that can't be the way that's spelled. Gallery? Gallery? That's right. Hoax? And so you kind of look, I don't like that, the way that looks. I don't like the way that looks. Or this. Or this. I mean, this would have to be real. I don't know. Maybe I will keep it in there. Alright. You know, I've been looking at this for long enough. I know that Michelle is coming in pretty soon, and so I'm going to have to go get something to eat, and that's going to require, you know, time and whatnot. So I'm gonna stop streaming. Um, thanks for watching. Hey, look, it's me. Thanks for watching. I'll keep on working on this next time. Till next time.